Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson we are going to be looking at the time zone within TradingView that we need to focus on. So just as a recap, just know that I'm not going to enter into the details of how to set up your charts. I've already covered that in my course, which is the complete TradingView course. I'll urge you, if you don't know how to set up TradingView and maybe have your chart looking like this, you want to go back into that course and actually go through the entire course so that you can know exactly how to set up TradingView. I'll still include the link to that resource, which is a complete TradingView foundation course that will help you now to navigate, to know how to navigate through this entire chart, really how to use this entire tool. So I'm not going into all the details, but in this lesson I'm going to focus only on the time zone. So if you go now to the right bottom side of the chart, you can see there's an indication here of time, which is the time zone. If you click on that, you want to select UTC New York. So make sure that you have selected UTC New York as your time zone. Whichever country you're in, whatever time your local time is, you want to make sure that you have selected New York, UTC New York, because that's the time we're going to be using throughout the course. And if you don't use that time now, it means that you'll be lost, because that's the time we're going to focus on. Everything we're going to teach on this course is going to focus on that time when we do our analysis. So make sure you do that. So I'll have to insist that make sure your time is UTC New York in your TradingView charts. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.